Let's control a motor in 2 minutes. We're going to start by creating a new machine, which I'm going to call control motor. With that machine created, we can follow the setup instructions and click on View Setup Instructions. Now I'm going to follow the setup instructions for Mac. Use your own system's operating system here and follow those instructions. This is already installed for me, so that saves me a little bit of time. Now I'm going to download the Viam app config to my Mac. And then I'm going to copy the Viam server command and run it on my Mac. That is going to start up the local Viam server instance. And once it is started up and has connected to the Viam app online, we should see that this blue message down here turns green. There we go, the machine is connected, and I can proceed to the config tab. Now on this config tab, we're going to first add a board. I don't actually have a board here currently, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a component that is for testing purposes, which is a fake component. So it doesn't really exist, but it's going to mimic a real component. And then I'm going to add a motor. Again, I'm going to be using a fake motor. You should be using your actual motor if you've got one. All right, and now I can change here. I can say this depends on the board so that the board is always initialized before the motor. And then I'm going to save this configuration and go to the control tab where I should be able to now use the motor. This is going to take a moment because the configuration has to copy to VM server, and here it is. Now I can set the power of the motor, the direction of the rotation, and then click Run. And that is how you control a motor.